But the man who's been the face of the Patel agitation, Hardik Patel, is missing. Is he in police custody? In yet another controversy, his lawyers moved an application late night at the Gujarat High Court claiming that he'd been kept in police captivity illegally, even as the police have denied it very strongly. And at 2:30 a.m., the High Court even issued a notice to the state to produce Hardik Patel on Thursday. He's been missing since Tuesday night when the police cracked down on a rally. So Hardik Patel has been missing, and his supporters claim that he's in police custody, but the police has strongly denied this. Well, let's go across to Rohit Bhan now for the latest. And Rohit, you're getting some news about Hardik Patel and his whereabouts?
Well, that's right, says lawyer Mr. Mangukia. He claims that that Hardik had sent him a message saying that he is somewhere near Halwad in Saurashtra. Now that is to be confirmed by the police, but at least that's what that's what his lawyer, who had moved an application, habeas corpus application before the Gujarat High Court, now says. He says he's on way to Halwad to get Hardik back. But clearly we have no information from the police. We want, if at all it's confirmed that he's been traced to Halwad. Now it remains to be seen as to what happens next, because police obviously has filed a case against him. They will in effect go for his arrest, and also whether as claimed by his supporters and associates that he was in the police custody, and now since it's emerged that he's traced to Halwad, now what happens to those claims? So all these factors will come into play in the next few hours when we actually get to hear about a physical confirmation of Hardik Patel being traced. But his lawyer claiming that he has got a message from Hardik saying that he is somewhere at Halwad in Saurashtra region. The police so far not confirming it. They said they're trying to corroborate. They had all along maintained that Hardik was not in their custody, despite the fact that an application was moved before the High Court. They're saying that they had gone to Bayad, where this illegal meeting was happening, but before they could arrest him, he had fled from the spot, and ever since his whereabouts are not known. Now remains to be seen whether he's actually there at Halwad and what the police are going to do next.
All right, Rohit, thanks so much for joining us with the latest.